2 Timothy 2 verse 19. Nevertheless, the foundation of God standeth sure, having they seen, the Lord knoweth they that are his own, and let everyone that nameth the name of Christ should depart from iniquity. Depart from iniquity. Anyone that goes to church, depart from iniquity. Anyone that loves Jesus, depart from iniquity. You can't be calling the name of Jesus and you are dwelling with iniquity. He knows his own. He says he knows his sheep, and the sheep hears his voice. Depart from iniquity.